Imagine you're starting a new business. You've got the idea, the passion, and maybe even a prototype. But there's one crucial piece of the puzzle missing: a reliable payment gateway. Airwallex, a global financial infrastructure platform, has emerged as a popular choice for many businesses. But not all businesses are welcome. There are certain types of ventures that Airwallex strictly prohibits. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Airwallex and exploring the businesses that are off-limits. So, if you're considering Airwallex for your business, stick around. Section 1. Understanding Airwallex. Let's start by understanding what Airwallex actually does. It's essentially a financial superhighway that connects businesses to global markets. It provides services like international payments, currency exchange, and embedded financial solutions. But with great power comes great responsibility, and Airwallex has a set of rules in place to ensure its platform is used ethically and responsibly. Section 2. Prohibited businesses. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter: the businesses that Airwallex doesn't want on its platform. Asterisk 1. Illegal activities. This is a no-brainer. Airwallex won't tolerate any business involved in illegal activities. This includes, but is not limited to, drug trafficking, money laundering, gambling in restricted jurisdictions, fraudulent activities. Asterisk 2. High-risk industries. Some industries are considered inherently risky due to their nature. These include adult content, weapons and ammunition, gambling in restricted jurisdictions, pharmaceuticals without proper licenses. Asterisk 3. Sensitive products and services. Certain products and services can raise ethical concerns or regulatory issues. These might include human organs or tissues, endangered species, spyware or malware. 4. Government entities. While Airwallex supports businesses of all sizes, it generally avoids dealing with government entities to maintain its neutrality. Section 3. Why these restrictions exist. You might be wondering why Airwallex is so strict about these restrictions. Well, it's all about protecting its reputation and ensuring compliance with global regulations. By avoiding high-risk businesses, Airwallex can minimize its exposure to legal and financial risks. Additionally, it helps to maintain a positive image and attract reputable partners. Section 4. Alternatives for prohibited businesses. If your business falls into one of the prohibited categories, don't worry. There are other payment gateways and financial services available that might be a better fit. Consider researching alternative options that specialize in high-risk industries or have more relaxed policies. It's important to do your due diligence and find a provider that aligns with your business needs and values. So, there you have it. Airwallex is a powerful tool for businesses, but it's not a one-size-fits-all solution. If your business operates in a prohibited industry, you'll need to explore other options. Remember, choosing the right payment gateway is a critical decision that can have a significant impact on your business's success. Do your research, understand the rules, and find a provider that meets your specific requirements. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.